Hi YouTube, thank you so much for stopping by. It's Angie here with Elevation DIY, where we love to do everything with DIY, decorating, remaking, renovating, and more. To all my new subscribers and new viewers, I say thank you, appreciate you for stopping by. Hit that subscribe, that like, and leave me a comment. I appreciate you. And to all my returning subscribers and viewers, I love you. You know I do. Thank you so much for sticking around and coming back. I appreciate that. You too, hit that like, that subscribe, and leave me a comment. Before I go on, I want to give a special shout out to my sister-in-law, D.O. to the T. I love you, one love. But I appreciate you for always rocking with me, supporting me. I love you. If you haven't started already with your Christmas decor, get going. The sales are there. Oh, but first, watch this video.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake.
Okay, so in my I'm in the kitchen. In my kitchen, I put a wreath on top on the door. I put one here, and I put one over on that door there. And these bells, I actually found these bells at Mark's, and they were in the summer section. They were on like this metal pig, like for ringing for dinner, and I took them off, and I've utilized the bells on my staircase, on my fireplaces, and on the wreaths here in my kitchen. And I think I also use them. No, that's about where I use them at. Okay, and this is my coffee and hot chocolate bar here. So you got your syrups, you got your chocolate, you got your marshmallows, your tea, your hot cocoa. I got these little cups from the thrift store. They were there still. Someone had turned them in. So anyway, this is my cocoa and coffee bar right here. And I just love these little coffee cups here. They've got Christmas trees on them. I really like those. Okay, so this is in my kitchen. Okay, so let's walk along. Okay, so in my family room, this is Alina's tree, my grandbaby's tree. This is her tree here in the family room. And I found this bronze garland, and I wrapped it around the tree, see? And I just love the way it came out. Just thinks It's so pretty. And then I took some gigantic balls and I put them down there at the bottom for some reflection. So this is a Lena's tree, and all her toys and all the things that we have for her will go there. So in my family room, I didn't go overboard because we're gonna have guests here, and I wanted to, give people room to move, and I really didn't want to be over the top, because I can be over the top. I can. So on the fireplace in here, I set up 3 lanterns, and I put the garland along here. So I'm rushing through this video. I really am. I'm so sorry. But stay tuned. There's more.